Good morning to all my lovely Patayans. So I am back with your computer class. In the last class we had completed the reading and explanation part of chapter 2, more about keyboard. So today we are going to discuss its book exercise, and if anyone of you have any doubt, any query, any question, so we'll discuss that also. Okay. So book exercise we are going to do in your computer book only, and the two short question answers also we will do today, that you have to do in your computer notebook. So keep your book and notebook, both things ready with you. Keep your stationery ready with you. We'll start the book exercise first and then we'll do the short answer questions. Okay. So everyone, let's start the book exercise. Okay. So everyone, just open page number 16 of your computer book and you can see this exercise here. This exercise here, write down today's date. Today is 11th May 2021 and write down classwork. Okay. Now for the fill-ups, hints are given to you. आपको hints दिए गए हैं. Okay. So first fill up, there are 26 alphabet dash on the keyboard. So 26 alphabet क्या हैं? Backspace, input, keys, shift. What will be the answer? It is very easy. So just tell the answer. Raise your hands everyone, and I want answer from everyone. Okay? It's very easy. There are 26 alphabet. 26 alphabet क्या हैं? कीबोर्ड्स पे क्या होती हैं? Yes, very good. Keys. So here you have to write keys. So write down keys. Okay, spellings you can check from the help box given just above the fill-ups. And keep doing with me only. Okay. And if anyone has any doubt wherever, you can just raise your hands and ask. Now next is dash key is used to erase the text typed on the left side of the cursor. So if you want to erase the text from the left side of the cursor, which key you are going to use? Backspace, input, shift. What will be the answer? This we have already done. 3 are left. So out of 3 what will come? इनपुट की तो कोई होती नहीं है, शिफ्ट की से हम इरेज नहीं करते, ओनली वन इज लेफ्ट, दैट इज बैक स्पेस की. सो विल राइट हियर बैक स्पेस. सो बैक स्पेस की इज यूज्ड to erase the text from the left side of the cursor. Okay. Now next one, keyboard is an dash device that consists of various keys. Which type of device is your keyboard? So you have two option, input or shift. So very easy, what will be the answer? Yes, very good. Input. It's an input device. देखो, in means अंदर, put means रखना, यानी कि input देना. तो जो भी input हम keyboard में देते हैं, that we used to give with the help of keyboard or other input devices. Okay. Now the last, the dash key is used to type capital letters when caps lock key is off. सो जब आपकी कैप्स लॉक की ऑफ होती है एंड देन यू वांट टू राइट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स, देन विच की यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़? ओनली वन ऑप्शन इज लेफ्ट एंड दैट इज, yes, good, shift key. So shift key is the answer, so you will write shift in the fourth fill up. Okay, make sure that you will write the correct spellings. Shift key. Now moving to the second part, we have write true for true and false for F4 false statement. So first is a keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY keyboard कीबोर्ड को हम QWERTY कीबोर्ड भी कहते हैं. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? क्या ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? एज यू कैन सी द कीबोर्ड हेयर, एंड मैंने आपको बताया था दैट फ्रॉम वेयर योर अल्फ़ाबेट स्टार्ट्स, इफ़ it starts with QWERTY, QWERTY, then it means it's a QWERTY keyboard. So the statement will be yes, true. So this statement is true, so you have to write capital T in the first box. Okay, here on the right side. Now next is the delete key erases the text typed on the left side of the cursor. Delete key text erase करती है from the left side of the cursor. But in Phillips अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था? That backspace key is used to erase the text typed on the left side of the cursor. It means this statement is false. So we'll write here capital F. We'll write here capital F because delete key is used to erase the text typed on the right side of the cursor. Yes. So अगर कर्सर के राइट साइड से आपको टेक्स्ट इरेज करना है, फॉर दैट यू नीड टू यूज़ द डिलीट की. नाउ एंटर की इज़ यूज टू मूव द कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. अगर आपको कर्सर को नेक्स्ट लाइन में मूव करना है, सो उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? एंटर की यूज़ करेंगे. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? And as I told you here, next line means to start a new line. Okay, so yes, again it is true. So we'll write capital T in the third box here on the right side. Now the fourth one, backspace key is used to erase the text typed on the left side of the cursor. Is it true? We have just done this in Phillips. Yes, it is true. So we'll write capital T here. So everyone done? Can we move to the next page? Okay, come to the page number 17 here. Now you can see we have third part, match the following. Okay, so match the following we are going to do. We'll write the numbers here at the back sides. Okay, we are not going to match with the lines. Okay, first we have F1 to F12. So F1 to F12 are what? Your alphabet keys. F1 to F12 कौन सी alphabet keys होती हैं? So alphabet keys will not be there. Then gives a blank space. अगर blank space देना है तो हम why we are going to use so many keys? We use one key only. Cursor control keys. So cursor control keys भी नहीं है. So only one is left, that is function keys. So the answer will be function keys. So we'll write here number 1. Okay. Now second, space bar. So as its name, to give a space, to give a gap between the words and numbers. So it's very easy. So the answer will be this. Okay. Now next is arrow keys. So arrow, what is the other name for arrow keys? Yes, very good. Cursor control keys. So we'll write here number 3. And A to Z keys are here. Very good. Alphabet keys. So we'll write here number 4. Okay. So just write it down. And then we'll move towards the next part, that is write one word for the following. So these are one word answers. फर्स्ट इज विच की इज़ यूज टू टाइप द टेक्स्ट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. अगर आपको टेक्स्ट को कैपिटल लेटर्स में टाइप करना है, सो विच की यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़. येस, आई कैन सी मैनी हैंड्स. येस अंश, गिव द आंसर. Very good. Caps lock key. So we'll write here caps lock key. Okay. So write the spelling carefully. Caps lock key. Now after writing the caps lock key, second is which key is used to type capital letters when the caps lock key is off. So जब आपकी caps lock key off होती है, at that time which key we use to type capital letters? We have done in Phillips just now. Yes. Yes, Tanisha. Very good. The answer is shift key. So write here shift key. Okay. Now next is which key is used to give a gap between words and numbers. सो नंबर्स और वर्ड्स के बीच में गैप देने के लिए मीन्स स्पेस देने के लिए विच की वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़. वी हैव डन जस्ट अबव हियर इन द मैच इट. येस, येस वंश, वेरी गुड. द आंसर इज स्पेस बार की. और स्पेस बार की क्या है? इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड. Now the fourth, which keys are on the top row of a keyboard? आपके कीबोर्ड के टॉप रो पे कौन सी कीज़ होती हैं? Here you can see the keyboard. So टॉप रो पे आप कौन सी कीज़ देख रहे हो? F1, F2, F3, F4 till F12. So इन कीज़ को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we call these keys? Vanshika. Yes, very good. These are function keys. These are function keys. So we'll write here function keys, and these are used to perform a specific function. Okay? So function keys. Do it fast, everyone. Now turn the page, come to page number 18. Page number 18, we have 8-part multiple choice questions, MCQs. These are going to be very easy. So first we have, how many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? How many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? Yes, very easy. This everyone must know. Okay, I can see many hands. Okay, give the answer fast. Yes, Laksh. Very good. The answer is 26. As we have 26 alphabets from A to Z, so 26 alphabet keys will be there. So the answer is 26. So you have to tick on the box given in front of 26. Okay, like this. Now next is, which key is used to erase the text on the left side of the cursor? 2-3 times we have repeated in exercise only. So very easy. The answer is backspace. So tick on the box given in front of backspace. Now number keys contain numbers from. तो जो नंबर कीज़ आपके कीबोर्ड पे होती हैं, नंबर्स कहाँ से कहाँ तक होते हैं? 0 to 10, 1 to 10, 0 to 9, 1 to 9. You can see the number keys here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 0 to 9. Very good. So tick on the box given in front of 0 to 9. Now, keys on the top row of keyboard are called. Just now we have done in one words. Top row पे जो keys होती हैं, what we call those keys? Yes, very good. Function keys. So tick on the box given in front of function keys. Okay. Everyone finish it fast. Now everyone just take out your computer notebooks fast. Write down today's date. Write down chapter name. So like this you have to write. Date you will write. Date is 11th May 2021. Then you will write chapter 2, more about keyboard. Fifth part, write down after leaving 2 lines, write down fifth part, short answer questions, and leave 1 line, and then write down question 1. Write the names of different types of keys on the keyboard. So जो भी different types of keys आपके keyboard पे हैं, उन keys के नाम आपको यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. So as you will see here the keyboard, there are 5 types of different keys. We have function keys, then number keys, alphabet keys, then we have cursor control keys, then we have special keys. Special keys में आपकी टैब, कैप्स लॉक, शिफ्ट, कंट्रोल, ऑल्ट, एंटर, स्पेस बार, बैक स्पेस, डिलीट, ये सभी कीज़ आपकी स्पेशल कीज़ में आती हैं. सो विल राइट हियर. So everyone just keep writing with me. Alphabet keys, then put a comma. Number keys, again comma, space, then cursor control keys, again comma, special keys, and function keys. Okay. So just write it down. And those who have written, they can leave 1 line and write down the second question. Define cursor control keys. So cursor control keys को आपको define करना है. So cursor control keys are a set of arrow keys. You can see here on the keyboard, cursor keys are the set of arrow keys. देखो arrow बने हुए ना इन पे, that's why we also call them arrow keys. So cursor control keys are a set of arrow keys which contain left, right, up and down arrow keys. Okay. So we'll write the answer here. Cursor control keys are a set of arrow keys that contains left, right, up and down keys. Okay, so just write it down and write in a neat and clean, beautiful handwriting. And if anyone is having any doubt, then you can ask. Today we are going to do only 2 short answer questions. Rest we'll do in the next class. So these you have to complete in your computer notebook. If anyone is having any doubt, then you can ask now also or in class as well. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.